Okay, so still with our VX salt chlorinator, testing our output with our oscilloscope. We're now back up to input voltage of 240 volts. Now what we're going to do is simulate a no-flow scenario. So simulating no flow. We've now taken our flow sensor wire off our test station. You've seen now our waveforms have dropped to nothing. We have now got no flow on our chlorinator, hence we are getting no output volts DC. We'll now restore our flow sensor wire. Our output now will return to normal as per set. We will now see our waveforms reappear as they're supposed to be on the oscilloscope. What we're going to do now is reverse the polarity. So we've gone from negative, we'll see our asterisk appear. It will then reverse. And now our waveforms are totally opposite. As we go into our positive polarity.